So I just found a way to clean the drain pump on my WM3400CW. So basically the drain pump is located right here. I didn't know what to do because of this supporter right here. But you just have to make sure that you successfully turn this right here counterclockwise. Let all the water drain out first before slowly taking out this filter right here. This is a drain pump filter. This is to ensure that your clothes don't start to smell, which means you're allowing your washing machine to successfully keep your clothes smelling fresh. You could just have a look inside my washing machine. This is a drain pump filter. Drain pump filter. Unfortunately, they did not treat it with microbands, so it remains the color as it is. What you want to do now is put the filter back in. I think you want to hear a click from it, just like how it clicked just now. Turn clockwise. You really want it to be firmly closed. Drain pump filters are always needed for front-load washing machines. Oh. Excuse the struggle of trying to adjust the drain pump thingy, but there we go. There we go. And that's the drain pump right here, in case you haven't noticed this thing. I think that's how you ensure that your drain pump is fully clean. Just by checking the filter, letting all the remaining water out before doing that. I think that's the only way you'll you'll successfully ensure that your washing machine is ready to keep your clothes smelling ultra fresh.